An island just vanished. No explosion, no warning, just gone. And it's happening right now across our planet. More content coming tomorrow. Subscribe if you want to see it. The nation of Tuvalu is drowning, not metaphorically, literally sinking beneath the waves. Within your lifetime, entire islands will be erased from maps. But here's what's wild. This isn't new. Islands have been appearing and disappearing for millions of years. We just weren't around to watch it happen. Three forces control whether land stays or goes. First, tectonic plates. These massive slabs of rock are constantly moving. When they collide, mountains rise, islands emerge. When they pull apart, land sinks. Gone. Second force, sea levels. Our oceans rise and fall like a slow-motion tide. Right now, they're rising fast. Third, volcanic activity. Some islands are literally built from scratch by underwater volcanoes. November 1963. Off Iceland's coast, the ocean starts boiling. Fishermen watch as an island births itself from nothing. They named it Surtsey. Within weeks, it's 500 feet tall, a brand new island. From zero to landmass in months, scientists rushed to study it. They wanted to watch life colonize virgin land. Today, it's covered in vegetation. Birds nest there. But here's the twist. Surtsey is already shrinking. The ocean is taking it back. Now for the opposite story. The Marshall Islands, Kiribati, the Maldives. These places are vanishing in real time. Not because plates are moving, because the ocean is rising. The average elevation in the Maldives? 4 feet above sea level. That's it. During high tide, seawater floods through streets. People are building walls, raising homes, but you can't outrun geology. Some islands are already abandoned, empty, reclaimed by the sea. But rising seas are just part of it. Beneath the Pacific, something massive is happening. The Ring of Fire, a horseshoe of volcanic zones where plates collide. When an oceanic plate dives under another, it melts. That molten rock? It rises, forms volcanoes, builds islands. The Hawaiian Islands, the Aleutians, Indonesia, all born from this process. But it works in reverse too. When plates shift, islands can sink. Entire landmasses pulled down into the mantle. 10,000 years ago, you could walk from England to France. No boat needed. A landmass called Doggerland connected them. It was huge, bigger than many countries today. Fishermen still pull up mammoth bones from the ocean floor there. Then the Ice Age ended. Sea levels rose 400 feet. Doggerland drowned in centuries. An entire civilization's homeland. Gone. Today, it's 100 feet underwater. But we can still map its rivers, its hills, its lost world. Here's what messes with your head. Geological time moves slow. Continents drift inches per year. But sometimes, it's terrifyingly fast. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake moved islands. Some shifted 60 feet instantly, others rose several feet in seconds. Decades of change in one moment. And volcanic islands, they can emerge in days, or collapse just as quickly. The time frame is unpredictable. That's what makes it scary. Now add humans to the equation. We're accelerating the process. Polar ice is melting faster than predicted. Every year, billions of tons of ice become water. That water has to go somewhere. It flows into the ocean. Sea levels are rising 3 times faster than they were 50 years ago. Low-lying islands feel it first. But this affects everyone. Miami, Tokyo, Mumbai, Shanghai. All coastal, all vulnerable. The same forces that sink islands will reshape our coastlines, but it's not all doom. New islands keep appearing. 2015. Near Tonga. An underwater volcano erupts for weeks. When the smoke clears, there's a new island, 2 miles wide. NASA scientists are studying it. It looks like Mars, completely barren, no life. Then birds arrive. They bring seeds in their droppings. Plants sprout. Life finds a way. Within a decade, the island transforms. This same process built the Hawaiian Islands, the Galapagos, Iceland itself. Can we predict which islands will vanish? Sort of. We can model sea level rise. The math is straightforward. If an island averages 3 feet elevation and seas rise 4 feet, it's underwater. Simple. But tectonic activity? Way harder. We can identify high-risk zones. We know which plates are colliding. We can monitor volcanic activity. But predicting the exact moment? Nearly impossible. Volcanoes erupt without warning. Earthquakes strike unexpectedly. Islands appear overnight. That's the chaos of geology. Fast forward to 2100. What does Earth look like? If current trends continue, thousands of islands gone, entire nations relocated. The Maldives, Tuvalu, Kiribati. Their governments are already planning, buying land in other countries. Some are building artificial islands, raising the ground literally. Others are building walls, fighting the inevitable. But new islands will emerge too. The mid-Atlantic ridge is spreading, creating new seafloor, eventually new islands. The map you memorized in school? It's temporary. It always was. Here's the perspective shift. Earth doesn't care about our borders. 200 million years ago, all continents were one landmass, Pangaea. It broke apart, drifted, formed the world we know. In another 200 million years, they'll merge again, a new supercontinent. Islands are just temporary features, stepping stones in a never-ending cycle. We build permanent structures on impermanent land. We draw borders on shifting ground. The ocean doesn't recognize our claims. Tectonic plates don't stop at national boundaries. Earth is alive, not biologically, geologically. Heat from the core drives convection currents in the mantle. Those currents push plates, build mountains, sink oceans, create and destroy islands. This has been happening for 4 billion years, long before us, will continue long after. Our entire civilization is a blink, a snapshot in deep time. But for the people losing their islands right now, it's everything. Their homes, their history, their identity. Claimed by forces beyond human control. Islands vanish, islands appear. It's the same process. Creation and destruction. Two sides of one coin. The ocean rises, volcanoes erupt, plates collide. Geography is not static. It never was. We're living on a dynamic planet, constantly reshaping itself. We can observe it, study it, predict some of it, but we can't stop it. We can only adapt. The islands disappearing today? They're not aberrations, they're reminders. The planet beneath our feet is always moving, always changing, and it always will be. The next time you look at a map, remember this. Those lines? Temporary. Those islands? Borrowed. New ones are forming right now. Old ones are sinking. It's all part of the same incredible, unstoppable process. Daily content at 3 p.m. sharp. Subscribe to catch it all.